your skin. What happens next isn't random, it's a plan. First, the alarm sounds, blood vessels squeeze, platelets rush in, they plug the leak and spin a net. That's your scab starting to form your first shield. Then the cleanup crew arrives, white blood cells flood the scene. They eat the dead stuff, kill the germs, keeping infection from setting up camp. Now it's rebuild mode. Fibroblasts lay down collagen, pulling the torn edges of skin together like stitches. New blood vessels sprout, fresh oxygen feeds the ground, and skin cells crawl in from the sides, closing the wound from the outside in. Last comes the removal. Over weeks and months, the scar gets stronger, smoother, a memory written in tissue. Sometimes the body goes too far, a keloid rises, thick and stubborn, a scar that refuses to fade.